with Eliminex, New Jersey. I'm spraying this house here in Clark. I think it's Clark. Treat Middlesex County, Somerset County, Central Jersey, Morris County, Monmouth County, Ocean County, name a county. We probably service that. So what we're doing here, we're doing like a yard spray. That hose is only just the beginning. It's got 300-foot hose here, 5/8-inch hose. The JD9 sprayer on there. It's going to spray the whole property, just minutes. So we use a nice volume. Your average job, probably like 30 gallons of our outdoor use product for turf and ornamental. Safe for all outdoors turf and ornamentals. The plants, the shrubs, they don't even know it's there. It lasts for weeks. We're going to treat top to bottom. And what we got here, we got this typical sprayer. This is what you see a regular pest control company have. That's their sprayer. That's what they use. Typical sprayer, that, or it's a B&G. It's a brass and nickel plated can, steel and brass. You see them walking around with that. They spray a little squirt in here, spot treatment. We use this for spot treatments as well, and for indoor treatments we use an indoor use product. There's only an indoor use product in it. And it doesn't really get that much volume to do a big giant house like this. This house goes all the way back. Goes all the way back. It's ridiculous. It'd take like forever to do a house with a little sprayer like that. Goes all the way back. Look at the yard. How are you going to do that? So the companies, they come in, they have like a little spreader. They spread this little stuff around. These little granules. And that's basically, I think that you shouldn't have to do a broadcast application. You could do a really nice application around the foundation, on the perimeter. What we use here is a 110-gallon tank on our typical van, truck-mounted rigs, and we use a SureFlow 12 volt, so we don't have to plug into your house. We could park anywhere and on your property and treat. And if it's even a bigger property, we can roll up our hose and move the van and hook up, and just hooks up with the regular battery. So we're not putting any amp, we're not putting any surges into your power box. And this thing right here is SureFlow, quiet, and 1.8 gallons per minute delivery. I mean, that is amazing. What do you get with the regular sprayer that you see a typical pest control guy have? Probably, half a gallon an hour, That's all they do. You always see them spot here, spot there. And this is middle of July with bees and ants and spiders. And you need volume. You need a large application. And it's safe. It's safe for outdoor use. And it takes a little time. Our average technician does maybe 3 full jobs, and then everything else in between are like, service calls and retreats or inspections. But we like to concentrate on the properties and do a nice thorough treatment. Treat around the windows. Plus that 1 gallon per minute provides enough pressure at 60 pounds, 60 psi. You can get way up there. Pen stream, where the backpack sprayer, you can't really get that much volume. You can't really treat the high spots with much power, and it's gonna blow with the wind. It's pretty windy today, so I think around 5-10 mile an hour winds, you're really not supposed to spray more than 10 feet high. But when you have more pressure directed in that pen stream, it won't blow. It won't blow with the wind, because it'll be like heavily target the spot that you want to treat. So look how far this goes. You got to treat the bottom of the decks. You need a large volume of product to treat all the surfaces, the cracks and crevices, and the foundations. Like freaking 8-foot foundation. You need some serious equipment and a serious service plan at a reasonable, affordable, competitive price. That's how we learned how to do business. We do prices even cheaper than a lot of big companies and give like 5 times more service. It's pretty amazing. Derek with Eliminex. Have a nice day.